Hi everybody, this is Levi. Today I will show you how to make a Easter egg charm. So you will need a loom, rainbow loom, but you'll have to take out the middle. And you will need a hook, any type of hook, just anything. You could use your fingers, but you could use your fingers instead of a hook. So let's get started. You would take well, it doesn't matter what color. You would take 2 bands, twist them like that, put it on, push it down. Then do the same thing, but like this. Oops. And then you would do that again. And now we're almost at looming. You would take 1 rubber band and put it right here. Another rubber band, put it like that. And then you would put one like that. Then do the same thing like that. Then do it like that. Okay, now to start looming, you would go under, pull this up and over. Now do the same thing on every peg. By the way, this is not my design. I kind of copied it from someone, but their bouncy ball didn't work out so much, so I turned it into an Easter egg. So now you would push all that down, then put a border line with 1 single band. Then loom it. Every thing. So there'll be like X's, like here, 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 and here. Like X8s. But always remember to loom these sides. One time when I was practicing, I kept forgetting, and I had to do it all over and all over again. It's pretty annoying. So put another border line. And when I'm done, I will show you. This might take a while. When I'm done, I will show you how to loom it together. Not a way that people would usually loom. It's very hard. I could have made it up. What are you doing? So then you would loom. Every single side. You don't want to miss one, because if you miss one, there'll just be a random band flying around, and that'll make the whole thing fall apart. And you don't want a broken Easter egg. Well, if you want to, you can. But it does looks pretty ugly. See, it would be looking like this. And it would be facing down like this. It would be kind of curving in. Wait a minute. Yep, it's fun. My dad just turned on the light for some reason. I have no idea why. So you're gonna keep doing the borderline. Then loom it. This is like a French fry. Really, really long French fry from McDonald's or Wendy's or whatever. And by the way, Happy New Year! It's 2017, the 2nd of January. Yeah. Which band? Oh yeah, purple. So you would keep doing the border line, then looming it. Okay, you kind of just do that whole thing. I just keep putting the border line on and keep looming it.